Most people are so
You
absorbed
will
in
fail
thinking
at
about
some
the
point in your
outside
life.
world
Accept it.
that they are completely unaware of what is going on.
You will lose.
inside
You will
themselves.
embarrass yourself. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never
Nikola
did.
Tesla is known as a genius, written in gold letters in history. He was not only an inventor or a scientist, but also a philosopher and a dreamer. Tesla laid the foundations of today's technology by spending his lifetime exploring the limitless potential of energy and electricity. But Tesla's teachings are not limited to scientific discoveries. They also include a philosophy that inspires humanity. Let's take a look at Nikola Tesla's teachings. Tesla was passionate about continuous self-improvement and learning throughout his life. According to him, people should learn and improve themselves for life. He suggests evaluating your progress using the WOW technique. If reading a book, watching a movie, or experiencing an event doesn't make you say wow, then you are standing still. It is important to acquire new knowledge and experiences and to live with the goal of continuous learning and development. Tesla experienced many failures throughout his life. He saw them as opportunities to learn and grow. To him, failure was part of exploring the wrong paths until he found the right answer. Facing failure can contribute to human empowerment and progress. It is important to face and learn from one's mistakes, regardless of the expectations of others. Curiosity is another important concept that Tesla emphasizes. Curiosity is the human hunger for knowledge and encourages continuous learning. Trying new things, learning about different subjects, and sharing. Your curiosity expands the imagination and increases the power of thought. Tesla suggests that people accept events beyond their control and turn
You
them
will
into
fail at
opportunities
some
to
point in
learn
your
and
life.
grow.
Accept it.
Failure is also out of control.
You will lose.
What is
You will
important
embarrass
is how
yourself.
we learn from it and how it
To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did.
What it takes to succeed is to be prepared to fail at the beginning and to persistently keep working. Emphasizes the importance of persistence. However, both positive and negative aspects of persistence should be considered. Positive persistence is necessary to achieve goals, but over-insistence on unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and failure. Tesla was a personality who encouraged unconventional ideas and challenging norms. He emphasizes that innovation requires thinking differently and taking risks. If people tell you that you are crazy, the things you want to do may be right, he said, emphasizing the importance of thinking beyond conventional thinking. Focusing on long-term goals is also among Tesla's teachings. While making many predictions of modern world technology, Tesla always focused on the bigger picture. We cannot change what happened in the past, but we can shape our future lives by our present behavior. Solitude also plays an important role in Tesla's teachings. Solitude is necessary to be alone with one's own thoughts and to find inner peace. Solitude can set thoughts and dreams free. Finally, Tesla's statement, "This is the secret of invention. Be alone, that's when ideas are born," emphasizes that creativity and innovation can emerge in solitude. One of Tesla's teachings is to embrace everything that makes us who we are, from habits to preferences, to embrace the oddities and to multiply the wow moments. Beyond scientific discoveries, Tesla's teachings focus on self-improvement, learning, curiosity, facing one's failures, questioning habitual thought patterns, and focusing on long-term goals. Tesla's teachings include questioning habitual thought patterns.
You will fail
Most
at some
people are
point in your life.
accustomed to
Accept
thinking
it.
within certain boundaries and constraints.
You will lose.
Tesla
You will embarrass
emphasizes
yourself.
thinking outside the box.
To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did.
Change the questions, he said, emphasizing the importance of questioning existing questions and assumptions. Tesla's teachings your time, others will value you and your time more. Solitude is also prominent among Tesla's teachings. Solitude is important to be alone with your own thoughts and to find inner peace. Tesla argues that solitude can free thoughts and dreams. This allows one to explore and develop one's inner world. Tesla's teachings also emphasize the importance of embracing oddities. Deviating from your habits and thinking differently can stimulate creativity and